Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the language of your readings on the Storytel application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the profile button down below, which is the last option. Then scroll down and tap on the settings icon in the upper right corner of the screen, and then tap on app. Scroll down again till you find the languages section in the default filters button. As you can see, you have a bunch of languages here that you can choose from, and you can add more than one to customize what titles will be visible for you. So now it is set to English. That's the default option, and then you can click on as many as you want to. Once it is added, it means that or this checkmark icon indicates that the language is added. So as you go back to your home, then you will be able to find it in many languages. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.